A good day, Dr. Hannah. My name is Harvindako, Dr. of Good Day Singh, and my matrix number is 69827. So, my topic for today is structured on the job training in Dutch steel giant who governs IJmuiden. The IJmuiden steelwork, located in the IJmuiden, which is Netherlands, was constructed between the year 1920s and 1940s. Initially, they were manufacturing iron, then steel, with hot and cold rolling, which are generating flat products. Meanwhile, in the 1960s, the firm or the company expanded into manufacturing of aluminium. So there were talks going on to conduct a training program, and many have been suggesting training program with the targeted participants are the operators from most of the divisions in the company. And finally, they have decided to do structured on the job training. So on the process of conducting SOJT, which is structured on the job training, there are two groups that have been divided from the participants, which are also the operators, and there are two parts of training take place where the training is happen on the job and also off the job training. So one of the impactful material that has been used in this training program are handbooks that were distributed to the participants. As the training program goes on, the results came in where the operators who joined the training program are said and believed to have achieved the training objective, which is understanding chemical and mechanical process in a short induction period time. Induction period is a reaction between chemicals. So the shorter the induction period, the higher the chances that the chemical will react, and the further actions that regarding the chemicals can be taken faster. After the results came in, the evaluation and troubleshooting process takes place, where documents and reports that are used in this training program were evaluated, and some interviews have been done between the employees or the participant that joined, the trainer, trainee, and everyone. This evaluation program is to evaluate the effectiveness of the training program that have been done. The below are the references from which I take these informations of structured on the job training program in Dutch steel giant Hoogwind IJmuiden. That's all from me. Thank you.